Today we will see Warshaw's algorithm from relations. First see what is the definition of transitive closure. Let R be the relation on a set A. If we denote R raised to infinity is equal to union of R raised to n from 1 to infinity. Then the relation R raised to infinity is called the transitive closure of the relation R. R raised to infinity is the smallest transitive relation on A that contains R. Now we will see what is the Warshaw's algorithm. Let R be the relation on a set A where A is equal to A1, A2, A3, an. Now for 1 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n, we define a Boolean matrix Wk as follows. Wk has a 1 in position I, j if and only if there is a path from Ai to Aj in R, whose interior vertices, if any, come from the set A1, A2, ak. Since any vertex come from the set A, therefore the matrix Wn has 1 in position I, j if and only if some path in R connects Ai with Aj. If we define W0 to Mr, then we will have a sequence W0, W1, W2, Wn whose first term is Mr and whose last term is Mr raised to infinity, where Mr raised to infinity is equal to Mr join Mr square join Mr cube ... Now we will see what is the procedure for computing Wk from Wk minus 1. The step 1 will be first copy to Wk all ones from Wk minus 1. Step 2 will be list the location C1, C2 ... in column k of Wk minus 1, where the entry is 1, and the location R1, R2, R3 ... in row k of Wk minus 1, where the entry is 1. Step 3 will be put ones in all their positions Ci, Rj of Wk if they are not already there. Now we will see the sums on Warshaw's algorithm. See the first example. If R is equal to AB, BC, CD, BA is a relation on a set A where A is A, B, C, D, then find the transitive closure of relation R by using Warshaw's algorithm. See the solution. We have given R as AB, BC, CD and BA. Therefore, by Warshaw's algorithm, we have W0 which is equal to Mr which is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is written using, first we have written A, B, C, D horizontally, then we have written A, B, C, D vertically, then AB means first row and this second column, that is this one represents this AB, BC, B and C, and therefore this one represents this BC, CD, C and D, and therefore this one represents this pair CD, BA, B and A, and therefore this one represents this pair BA. Now when we will write W1, at that time all the ones which are in W0, they will be as it is, but some extra ones may add. For that we have to consider first column and first row in W0. In the first column, there is 1 in the second position. Therefore, our Pi will be 1. And in the first row, there is 1 in the second position, and therefore, our Qj will be 2. And therefore, Pi 2, Qj is 2, and therefore 2 pair will create. Therefore, in W1, at the place 2, that is 2 and 2, means here 1 will be added. And these remaining 4 are ones which are already in W0. Therefore, in W1, only 1 is added, which is at the place 2. And before, in the W0, there is no 1 at the place 2. Therefore, we are writing at the place 2 as 1. Now, when we will write W2, at that time, all the ones we will take which are in W1 as it is. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 ones will be as it is in W2, and some more ones may add. For that, we will consider second row and second column. First, we will consider second column. In the second column, there are ones in first and second position. In second row, there are ones in first, second and third position, and therefore our Pi will be 1, 2, our Qj will be 1, 2, 3, and therefore there will create 6 pairs using this 1, 2 with 1, 2, 3. But we will add only 1, 1 and 1, 3 place ones, because remaining places already ones are there, means at 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3 already ones are there, and therefore only 2 ones will be added, that is at 1, 1, that is this one will be added, and 1, 3, that is this one will be added in W2. Now when we will write W3, at that time all these ones will be there as it is in the W3. Some more ones may add. For that, we will consider third column and third row of W2. In third column, there are ones in first and second position. And in third row, there are one in only fourth position. And therefore, we have Pi as 1, 2 and Qj as 4. And therefore, 1, 4 pair will create, and 2, 4 another pair will be created. Therefore, at the place 1, 4 and 2, 4, there will be added 1. That is 1, 4 means this one, and 2, 4 means this one is added in W3. Remaining all ones are there as it is as before W2. Now, we will see W4. At that time, we have to consider fourth column and fourth row. Now, in the fourth column, there are ones in the place 1, 2, 3. And in fourth row, there are no ones. And therefore, in Pi, there will come 1, 2, 3. In Qj, there will be only 5. But we can't create the pairs here because this is empty set. And therefore, our W4 will be as it is W3. There will not be any addition of ones. And hence, our transitive closure of R is as below: AA, AB, AC, AD, BA, BB, BC, BD and CD. These pairs are written considering ABCD in the horizontal position in the previous matrix and ABCD vertically in the previous matrix, and wherever ones are there, at those pairs we have written here. At which places zeros are there, those will not come in this relation R. That is, transitive closure of relation R is given by this set R. Now we will see the example 2 on Warshall's algorithm. Using Warshall's algorithm, find the transitive closure of R defined on A, where A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and R is equal to 1 1, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 4 and 4 4. Now we will see the solution. We have the given relation R is equal to 1 1, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 4 and 4 4. Therefore, by Warshaw's algorithm, we will write W naught which is equal to MR. Consider here 1, 2, 3, 4 horizontally, and consider here 1, 2, 3, 4 vertically, and wherever pairs are there in the given relation R, at that time we have written 1, and where that is where the pairs are not there, at those places there are zeros. We have given 6 pairs in the given relation R, therefore at 6 places there are 1s. Now when we will write W1, at that time all these 1s will be repeated as it is at the same position. Some more 1s may be added. For that, first we have to consider first column and first row. In the first column there are 1s at the first and second position, and in first row there are 1s in the first position. Therefore, our Pi and Qj will be, Pi is 1 2 and Qj is 1. Therefore, 1 1 and 2 1 pair will be created. But already these places there are 1s in W0 and hence in W1. Therefore, there will not be any addition of 1s in W1. Therefore, in W1 there are only 6 1 as previous W0. Now, when we will write W2, at that time all these 1s will be repeated as it is in the same position. Now we will consider second column and second row. In the second column there are 1s in the second position, and in the second row there are 1s in the first, second and third position. Therefore, our Pi and Qj will be, Pi is 2 and Qj is 1 2 3, and therefore 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, these pairs will be created. But you can see that already there are 1s at these places. Therefore, W2 will be as it is W1. There will not be any extra additions of 1s. Now, when we will write W3, at that time all these 1s will be repeated as it is at the same position. Now we will consider third column and third row. In the third column there is 1 in the second position, and in third row there is 1 in the fourth position. Therefore, our Pi and Qj will be 2 and 4. Therefore, 2 4 pair will be created. Therefore, at the 2 4 pair we will add 1. 2 and 4 means this one is added in W3. Now we have to write W4. When we will write W4, at that time all the 1s which are in W3, they will be as it is in the same position. Now we have to consider fourth column and fourth row. Now in the fourth column there are 1s in second, third and fourth position, and in fourth row there is 1 in the fourth position, and therefore our Pi and Qj will be 2 3 4 and Qj will be 4, and therefore 2 4, 3 4 and 4 4, these pairs will be created. But you can see that at these places there is already 1, and therefore there will not be any extra addition of 1s in W4, and hence our W4 will be as it is W3. That is, W4 is equal to 1 0 0 0, 1 1 1 1, 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 0 1, and hence our transitive closure of given relation R is as below. That is, R is equal to 1 1, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 3 4 and 4 4. These pairs are written according to the last W4. At which places 1s are there, only those pairs are included in R, and that is our transitive closure. Thank you.